Welcome to Pro Webcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Monday, September 28th, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Paul Wilson. Today's news is sponsored by Sunderland Group, your success, our tradition. For more information, please visit www.sunderlandgroup.com. Now for today's headlines. Mutual funds performed especially well during the third quarter, hinting at a continuing sense of confidence among investors. During the quarter, growth funds were among the best performers and are usually considered vulnerable during tough times, but are also one of the quickest to recover. In particular, diversified U.S. stock funds saw an average return of 14.9% during the quarter, while the return for the first 9 months of the year was 22.7%. Meanwhile, the average return for large capitalization value funds was 15.5%, while large cap growth funds averaged 13.4%. In economic news, small businesses in the U.S. are growing increasingly confident about economic growth in the near future, according to a recent survey by Chase Card Services. The survey found that 4 out of 5 small businesses are enacting moderate or aggressive growth strategies, including expansion into new markets, increased revenue among existing customers. The survey of more than 150 chief and senior executives at small companies found that only 5% of respondents were not looking to aggressively grow their business. Meanwhile, 3/4 believe the U.S. economy, as well as their own business, will see improvements in the next 3 to 6 months. Finally, 49% of respondents said they were currently adding positions, while 29% said they were not adding jobs, but were hiring in order to upgrade talent. In insurance and P&C news, a recent poll of insurance executives found that they believe their companies will perform above general expectations next year, but offered less encouraging forecasts for the overall industry. The group of 271 senior executives was surveyed recently by KPMG at its 21st Annual Insurance Industry Conference. Nearly half of those surveyed said they expect their company to beat expectations in 2010, far exceeding the 22% who expected improvement last year. Meanwhile, 36% believed their companies would perform at a similar level to 2009, while 16% said they believe their company will perform below expectations. I'm Paul Wilson, and thanks for watching Pro Webcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.